There he is.
Yeah? Look, David, fireworks coming. Pew! Bang, like that. Watch.
Make sure you put them in properly.
Oh, this one.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we had a bigger garden in the other
Get
house.
me down, please, quick. Get me down.
Shh.
Get me down. Get me
David,
down,
can you get him
please.
down, David?
Oh, hold the camera. Hold it up like that.
Quick, quick.
Are you recording? Go on in, quick, David. It's going to come out dark, isn't it? David, I ain't going to keep holding it.
Get in here.
Get your dad's bum.
Can you light up that?
Can you do it outside?
Oh no, you have to do it with the light. It doesn't work. Oh, standing in.
Is that what it does? Oh, that was exciting, wasn't it?
Whoa.
I've only had a one, for God's sake. Better than eating.
Yeah, Kira, move.
Why don't you go outside?
Why don't you bring more fireworks out?
No.
Now it's two.
Right, put them on the hutch.
Now it's two.
You went
Like
it
that,
down.
please. Like,
Don't stand in front of me because I can't speak. Wow.
That was my turn to go outside.
I'll go get more.
Kieran, it's too cold.
It's warm. Whoa, it's over there. What? Oh. It's over there.
Yeah. Careful with them. Someone else could help me.
It's not going to burn the roof, is it? Wedge
Now
it down
it's
there.
two. Whoa.
That's loose, that firework.
Oh my god.
Quick, 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 quick in, quick! Whoa! Whoa!
Can you wedge it in? I don't fancy a trip to the hospital, yeah?
Next one.
Do you remember that Catherine wheel that went off the wall?
I remember that one that shot over the top, fell over, shot over the top was into the old house, wasn't it? Remember that?
Yeah, make sure you just wedge it in, yeah?
Yeah, this is a square one, so it won't go.
Do you want me?
No, it will, because if it bangs, it will knock it.
Oh, look, okay.
Kieran, get inside.
Come and watch it here, look. Kieran, here, stand there, stand there.
That's it. That's what I hate about fire.
The fireworks.
It's a fireworks. It's fireworks, Mummy.
Put your hood up.
One thing I hate about fireworks when they tip over.
Get me in, Daddy.
It's too late. Don't.
Wedge. Give it a wedgie. Whoa, that went in the shed.
You don't wedge him in the ground enough.
You need to wedge it, Neil, because that went in there.
Please.
I can't. There's no gas in them.
Quick. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
Oh my god! That's getting closer.
Oh!
That is close.
See that one?
Careful, Dad.
That's coming a bit too close, Neil. Go a bit further back.
Oh, look.
What was that? What's that bit? Can you make sure you wedge it? My hair will go up in flames. I've got mousse on it.
3, 2.
Yeah, David.
It comes down. Ah!
They all do that.
Oh my god.
They're all shooting out the window. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
There's no gas in that thing.
Quick.
Out the way.
That comet burst is going to so destroy the garden.
I'm waiting for that.
That was you and me.
Rocket. Oh, the big one. The big one.
Right, make sure that is back.
Make sure that's right back.
Is that all our fireworks?
I don't know. Got some rockets left.
Have we got no traffic lights, nothing like that?
Whoa. Oh my god.
Oh, lava. Kieran, get out of the way.
Daddy.
Let's get the big one. The grand
Do
finale.
it again.
That one I'm going in because make sure that is
you
wedged,
go
Neil.
right back.
Kieran. Oh.
Get in,
Close the door,
get
close the
in.
door.
Quick, close the door. Close the door.
Kieran, come here, Kieran.
Ah!
I've just got the rockets left now.